We crave connection. We long for belonging. We search for love. These are the threads that weave the fabric of our lives, the moments that give us purpose and meaning. From the laughter shared with friends to the quiet moments of understanding with a partner, these connections shape who we are. These desires are deeply human. They are the essence of our existence, the driving force behind our actions and decisions. We seek out these connections, hoping to find a sense of completeness and fulfillment. We believe love conquers all. Love heals wounds. Love makes us whole. It is the balm for our souls, the light in our darkest hours. We hold on to this belief, cherishing the moments of love that bring us joy and comfort. But what happens when love isn't enough? When the very thing we rely on to bring us happiness begins to falter? When the foundation of our relationship starts to crack? What happens when love falters? When misunderstandings and conflicts arise and the bond we thought was unbreakable begins to weaken? These moments test the strength of our connections. We often overlook a more fundamental element: trust. Trust is the glue that holds our relationships together, the unseen force that gives love its power and resilience. Trust is the bedrock of any meaningful relationship. It is the foundation upon which love is built, the cornerstone that supports the weight of our emotions and experiences. It's the invisible thread that binds us together. Without trust, even the strongest love can crumble. It is the assurance that we can rely on each other, that we are safe and secure in our connections. Trust is the air we breathe in a relationship. Without it, we suffocate. It is the lifeline that keeps our connections alive, the element that allows love to thrive and grow. Love without trust is like a beautiful house built on sand. It may look perfect on the outside, but it lacks the stability to withstand the storms of life. It might appear strong, but it's ultimately unstable. Without a solid foundation, even the most beautiful structures can collapse. Trust is the foundation upon which love can flourish. It is the bedrock that supports our relationships, allowing them to grow and prosper. With trust, love can reach its full potential, creating connections that are strong, enduring, and deeply fulfilling. Love is a powerful emotion. It can inspire great acts of kindness and sacrifice. But love also has its limits. Love can be fickle. It can fade. It can be conditional. Love can be blind to flaws. It can lead us to make excuses for unacceptable behavior. We may stay in unhealthy relationships, clinging to the hope that love will conquer all. Love alone cannot sustain a relationship. It needs a solid foundation of trust to weather life's storms. Trust is not merely the absence of doubt. It's a deep-seated belief in the reliability and integrity of another. It's knowing that someone will be there for us even when it's difficult. Trust is built on vulnerability. We allow ourselves to be seen, flaws and all. We open our hearts, knowing that we won't be judged or rejected. Trust is not a given. It must be earned through consistent actions, open communication, and mutual respect. Trust is the backbone of any relationship, romantic or platonic. It is the invisible thread that binds people together, creating a sense of safety and reliability. It's the foundation upon which we build intimacy, connection, and security. Trust allows us to open up and share our deepest thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or rejection. Without trust, We live in a state of constant uncertainty and anxiety. Doubts and suspicions can creep in, eroding the very fabric of our relationships and leaving us feeling isolated and insecure. Trust allows us to be our authentic selves. It gives us the freedom to express who we truly are, knowing that we are valued and respected. We don't have to pretend or hide our true feelings. This honesty fosters deeper connections and strengthens the emotional bonds we share with others. We can be vulnerable, knowing that we are accepted and loved for who we are. This vulnerability is a cornerstone of meaningful relationships, allowing us to grow and evolve together. Trust allows disagreements without fear of destroying the relationship. It provides a safe space for open communication and conflict resolution. We can have healthy conflict, knowing that our bond is strong enough to withstand differences of opinion. This resilience is what makes relationships enduring and fulfilling, proving that trust truly outweighs love. When trust is broken, it creates deep wounds. It can lead to feelings of betrayal, anger, and resentment. These emotions can fester and poison the relationship. Distrust creates distance. We withdraw emotionally, building walls to protect ourselves from further hurt. Communication breaks down. Intimacy fades. The consequences of broken trust can be devastating. Relationships can crumble beyond repair. The pain of betrayal can linger for years, making it difficult to trust again. Section 6. The bridge of trust. Building a foundation. Building trust takes time and effort. It requires consistent action and open communication. It's a process of showing up for each other day after day. Honesty is paramount. We must be truthful with ourselves and with our loved ones, even when it's difficult. Small acts of integrity build a foundation of trust. Setting boundaries and respecting each other's limits fosters trust. We learn to trust that our needs will be honored and that our boundaries won't be violated. Section 7, maintaining the bridge. The pillars of trust. Maintaining trust requires ongoing effort. It's not a one-time fix, but a continuous process of nurturing the relationship. Open and honest communication is essential. We create a safe space for sharing our thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. Accountability and making amends when we've made mistakes are crucial. We take responsibility for our actions and strive to repair any harm we've caused. Section 8. When trust falters, repairing the bridge. Trust, once broken, can be rebuilt. It's not an easy process, but it is possible with commitment and effort from both parties. Sincere apologies and a genuine desire to make amends are essential. The person who broke the trust must take full responsibility for their actions. Forgiveness is a process, not a destination. It takes time to heal from the pain of betrayal. Patience and understanding are crucial during this process. Section 9, trust, the lifeblood of enduring connections. While love is a powerful force, trust is the bedrock of any lasting relationship. It's the foundation that allows love to flourish and grow. It's the invisible thread that binds us together, providing the security and stability to weather life's storms. Without trust, even the strongest love can falter. When we trust, we feel safe to be vulnerable, to love deeply, and to grow alongside our loved ones. Trust creates a safe space where we can be our true selves without fear of judgment. Trust allows us to navigate challenges with resilience, knowing that we have each other's backs. It gives us the confidence to face uncertainties and the courage to take risks together. Ultimately, trust is the lifeblood of enduring connections. It's what keeps the bond strong and unbreakable, even in the face of adversity. It's the foundation upon which we build a love that is both passionate and enduring. Trust is not just given, it is earned and nurtured over time through consistent actions and open communication. In the end, trust transforms relationships into a sanctuary, a place where love can thrive and endure through all of life's seasons